Hello everyone, my name is ZVarkonyi. I'm member of the Executive Committee of the European Basic Skills Network, and I work for Progress Consult Education Development Company. I participated in a number of programs which address the digital divide challenge in Hungary. We have 10 million people of population, and out of that 3.5 million have no or very low level of digital literacy. Thank you, David, for asking me for reflection on the model of TIV readers on the stages of digital inclusion, which is very interesting. And one point I would like to make, that these stages has to be considered in setting up very specific strategies to specific target groups in different contexts, like people living with disabilities, like people with low educational attainment, or people living far in the countryside, in small villages, who has different barriers in each stage. In Hungary, the government recently adopted the National Digital Educational Strategy, which has a special component on adult learning and digital divide. And the strategy has a number of provisions which address each stages of the digital inclusion. There will be a number of infrastructure development, including broadband access to families in remote areas, access to computers in libraries and other community places. There will be all kinds of programs to mobilize communities and introduce e-mentors to find people who need digital education and get them appetite for learning. And there will be a number of different tailored learning offered for them. One of the challenge we are working when we designed in these programs, that adult educators and training providers tend to think about ICT program and learning only in computer labs, using, of course, computers. However, many people in our target group has access to smartphones and other smart devices, and they might be interested in learning how to use their devices, and perhaps they wouldn't interested in learning computers at this stage. But no one offers them specific learning possibilities for how to exploit their smart devices. One of the efforts we made is to design learning programs which are freely available for learning providers, which accommodate participants with all kinds of smart devices, regardless of platforms, but they can also use notebooks or desktop computers. And in these programs we find out, when we tested the training programs, that they are extremely attractive for many people, but also challenging for teachers. So we try to find ways of how we can support teachers who has to cope with this multiplex environment. I think it will be an interesting experience in the next few years.